Yeah, you said to do that.
Yeah, so right as it's coming forward, I want that to hit the ground.
Yeah.
Instead of bounce back. Yep. Right there, yep.
Okay, so that's what I do when I do on my travel.
Yeah.
Just that foot first.
Right. So right as it gets to full extension,
Yeah.
it's got to be hitting the ground, and that's its stable position. But if it gets slightly bent, then it's not at its stable position.
And you said you put a soft foot on there.
A what?
Soft foot, so it go.
It does have some cushion, so when you step on it, it actually does give a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
That'd be good for blocks.
Yeah. Okay. Now, are you getting that same sensation at the bottom?
No.
I think it was that pin was long.
Yeah.
And it was shoving up against the end of your leg. So that's what was going on. Okay. And let's get that back.
Okay. I think
I heard a click.
I heard a click.
Yep. There you go. So you were right. Okay. There you go. Now I'll let you get that. And we'll see. And that went down fairly easy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Click, click, click. Okay. So that's. Oh, we didn't put the sock on, did we?
No, it didn't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see. What does the pressure feel like right now at the bottom?
When I push down on it a little bit, I can feel it at the end of my knee,
Okay.
end of my leg.
Okay.
Like it's pushing into the
Okay.
bone.
Okay. So let's. You stay standing. And when you put a sock on, you want to make sure that none of the sock is on the pin.
Okay.
Because you don't want any part of that sock getting dragged down into the hole.
Yeah. And this will fold down over there.
Okay. Let's get it underneath you.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on.
It clicked right down before, so let's see.
That might be
The edge.
Yeah.
Feel that with your thumbs, and then pull it away from your leg just a little bit and lift it up. There you go. And go back down. And that's definitely leaning in now. Okay. Okay, so go ahead.
Try it that way.
Mm-hmm.
And I gotta take these shorts off to get that. That looks like it's facing down.
It is slightly. Okay. Okay, I need to rotate it out.
You know, rotate it out.
Now, it also depends on the rotation of the socket.
Yeah.
When you put your socket on your leg.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's see how that is. There we go.
used to bounce on and step on them.
Okay, why don't you take a break? There you go. Good. Now, if you get tired, girl, or you need some water, and stop for a moment. We can give you a break.
Yeah, I'm getting tired. My legs getting a little bit sore.
Where's it getting sore?
Right down around the bottom down here.
Okay. What's happening is, right as it comes through, I want you to try to get contact with the ground, because it's coming through and then it's bouncing back a little bit. So, yeah. So as you come through, put weight on it. There you go. I want you to start leading with this leg. I want you to start with your left leg and just take small steps. Go ahead. There you go.
It'll take a lot of work, ain't it?
Okay. All right. So go ahead and turn around.
I can't do it like I used to do in 1986.
Okay. So go ahead.
Okay.
So right as it comes through, put your weight down. Right there. Right there. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get up and let you do it. Okay.
I don't know if it's so I can do my knee ain't good or my leg ain't good.
Okay, now I might have to tension that screw to kick it forward
Yeah.
a little bit more forcefully. So I really want it staying straight right when yeah, as soon as you put weight on it, I want it completely straight. What's happening is it's getting out there, getting straight, but then it's kind of coming back a little bit and flexing. Go ahead, I'm watching it. Okay. Okay.
Alright, this has got a hydraulic knee on it, as you can see. He's shortening the leg for me a little bit. But that's the hydraulic knee working. It bounces, it's pretty neat.